Okay guys, so habang nanonood kami ng Netflix, Last Samurai Standing, napakaganda. Japanese series siya guys, pero pinapanood namin siya English with subtitles. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung bagong feature lang to ng Netflix o matagal na, pero ngayon lang namin napansin. So, pag English with subtitles siya, yung bibig ng mga actors ay English din yung sinasabi. So, pansinin nyo guys
Count as a withdrawal. As of now, I still have no idea what they would do to a contestant who's in jail.
So you plan to find out if the rules still count, even in jail, right?
Correct? Are they willing to go against the police to silence a defeated contestant?
Ayan guys, sobrang galing. Tapos pag binalik natin siya at ginawa nating Japanese original with subtitles, which is yung original recording version niya, Japanese series kasi siya. Galing guys. So accurate pa rin. So yung movement ng bibig ngayon is accurate na. Hindi ko alam kung AI ba to related, pero ang galing kasi ini-implement na siya ng Netflix ngayon. So hindi na awkward manood ng mga Korean or Japanese movies tapos English yung dub kasi accurate na yung bibig. Hindi ko alam kung kami lang nakapansin ito or napansin nyo rin yung improvement na to or kung matagal na ba to. Pero kung napansin nyo guys, comment kayo dyan at tignan natin kung may iba pang nakapansin maliban sa amin. Galing Netflix, ang galing.